Greetings. Many of you have been asking for an update on our health and safety protocols, so we thought we'd tell you where things stand. The good news is that conditions in DeKalb County continue to improve. The number of COVID cases per 100,000, as well as the percentage of positive tests, have decreased to a level of substantial community spread instead of high community spread of COVID. If improvements continue, we hope our community spread will decrease to the moderate spread range that public health officials want to see in order to adjust guidance about wearing masks in indoor public spaces. In other hopeful news, we appear to be mere days away from FDA approval of the COVID vaccine for children aged 5 to 11. So given these two pieces of good news, we are planning to roll back some of our COVID measures now and gradually roll back others between now and Christmas. The first thing we're going to do is reduce our socially distanced seating for worship. In the fellowship hall, we will allow more chairs for modern worship. In the sanctuary, the front half, all of the pews will be available for seating. In the back half of the sanctuary, we will keep half of the pews blocked for the benefit of those who are still not comfortable sitting close up to others. Allowing more seating in the sanctuary will also allow more people to attend our special Christmas musical program, which will occur on December 11th and 12th, as well as our Christmas Eve services. But because we know not every family will feel safe worshiping indoors, even when conditions improve, we're also planning to offer outdoor services in the park on December 23rd at 5 p.m. and 8 p.m., weather permitting, and to parallel our usual indoor services on Christmas Eve at 5 and 8 p.m. The children's service at 3 p.m. on Christmas Eve will also be outside, weather permitting. I know many of you have been listening carefully to this message for me to give you a precise date when we will again be able to come inside the building without masks. As usual during the pandemic, I am not able to be precise about it. What I can say is that we will watch the public health guidance and follow what they advise regarding indoor mask wearing in public spaces. I know the constantly changing landscape of rules and precautions around COVID is frustrating, but I applaud you for hanging in there with us. In case you've forgotten, back in the summer, we initially allowed classes to meet without masks inside the building if everyone in the class was vaccinated. But that was before the Delta variant spread. Before Delta, we thought fully vaccinated people couldn't spread or contract the virus. Delta proved that assumption wrong. Fully vaccinated people got breakthrough infections and passed the virus to unvaccinated people as well. This is why we went back to requiring masks everywhere in the building for everyone, vaccinated or not. Because our youngest children could not be vaccinated, putting our masks back on was one way to protect them and others in our community who are especially vulnerable. We put our masks back on to protect our most vulnerable members, and we will keep our masks on for them for a while longer, until we can assure ourselves that the risk has been minimized. I know this is tiring, but it is my hope that by Christmas time things will be much better, and that in the new year we can return to worshiping and being in community together in all the ways we used to be. We will keep you posted on any changes as they arise. So please join me in praying for Oak Grove during this time, and may God hear our prayer.